For intermediate or advanced users of Photoshop, you may find after a number of hours your machine may start to slow down. There's a couple of ways we can get around this to increase the speed of our machines. The first one we can do, if you're using a PC, go to Edit, Preferences, and we can go to Performance. For Mac users, we go to Photoshop Preferences, Performance. I click on Performance and we open up the Preferences dialog, and you can see there's history states here. In the later versions of Photoshop, the history states default at 50 states. This means that it can keep up to 50 states of our history in time, so it means we can step back up to 50 states. We don't need this many. Maybe you want to turn it down to maybe 20 or maybe even 10 if you're that advanced. So I'll just turn that down to 20 and there you go. I'll press OK, and that's turn it down, so this will free up some memory. It won't retain so much detail in what we're doing. Another way we can do this, if we've got a lot of files open, we're closing files down and opening them again. The other way we can sort our memory out is by going to Edit, Purge, and we can purge our histories, we can purge all, or we can purge our video cache, which means that if we are using large amounts of memory, we can purge it out of the system and start again and reboot.